the Northern Lights, the most bizarre and beautiful phenomena in our night sky, making it a bucket list item for millions of people around the world, including us. That's why Allie and I are making the very long and very cold trip to northern Finland in order to witness what is predicted to be the largest and most vibrant display of northern lights in our lifetime. But we have to say, our experience was not what we expected.
Still need to go maybe even 4 hours outside the city just to see them, which is just insane to me. We're literally crossing the border into Sweden.
Are the northern lights worth the effort? Are they as bright as they look online? Come join us to find out, and welcome to country number 37, Finland.
Welcome to Helsinki. We just got off of a 7-hour flight from Dubai to now get on this sleeper train overnight to the Arctic Circle.
Yay!
Which we're super excited for. Looks like our train's actually getting ready to leave.
Yeah.
And the best place to see the northern lights is in Lapland, Finland, which we're heading now. So obviously, we still have some more ways to go. Super excited, hope you are too. So let the adventure begin.
Welcome to our first class accommodations. What you see is what you get. It's actually not bad. We've got bunk beds here. There's some storage over there. A little seat if you get bored of laying down.
And a little viewpoint.
Oh yeah.
And we have our little bathroom here, but what's really cool that I've never seen before is if we pull on this latch here, check us out. So the bathroom gets hidden over there, and it's a shower. So we have the shower head here,
That's
bathroom's hidden,
interesting.
and then we convert it back. Boom.
Oh yeah. First
Awesome.
class,
I'm so
baby.
glad we have a shower.
Yes. We're on our way to our very special accommodation for tonight. And Sumner's taking care of the luggage. But
So they gave us this sled up at the parking space to carry our stuff down, which is nice. It's a little bit slippery, so it almost dragged me. But now we got it under control. This is where we're staying.
look at that.
And the reason we chose this type of place is, hopefully, I don't know if you can tell, but you're supposed to be able to see the northern lights literally as you're sleeping, looking up at the sky. So let's check it out. Wow, okay, it is a bit tiny. It's kind of like a capsule hotel. But I'm surprised how much we got in here for how small it is. And the main reason, right, this view of the frozen lake, and more importantly, part of the roof is made of glass, so we can hopefully see the lights tonight. But I have to say, you can kind of tell, it looks pretty cloudy right now.
But there's one more exciting thing that it comes with this hotel. Check this out.
Look at that. Oh man, I really hope this works.
That's so good of it.
Oh yes.
And
Oh look.
oh,
Yes.
imagine this under the lights.
Yeah, imagine that. Oh my gosh, definitely gonna do this. First of all, I'm gonna get in it right now. This looks awesome, but also imagine under the northern lights. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of chill here and relax here on the premise for a little bit. Oh, I feel
It hurts?
Yeah, so good. Just from your feet being freezing cold in the snow, which I know is a dumb idea. It feels good, almost instantly. Just kind of de-thawing like a chicken in the microwave. Oh.
That's my chicken.
But we still have one last leg before we see the northern light. Let's go! Because of light pollution, we need to go out kind of the middle of nowhere to the best spot to find the northern lights. So we've employed the help of this team of Huskies to help us get out of the city, more into the wilderness, and they are ready to go if you can hear them. So this is the last leg, finally. Let's go.
Woo! Oh my god! All right! seriously, this is so cool. However, it smells like dog poop because they're pooping and peeing as we're going. But this is absolutely beautiful.
And now we have some snacks, a little bit of lingonberry juice, and a warm fire to wait until sunset.
Now it's staying 0 to 1. Yeah. Okay. And the BZ, this is the most important number that we want to see or keep our eyes on. The B, X, Y, and Z. Z, the lower, the better.
We're like in the middle, like you can just see the stars in the sky, it's beautiful, but apparently we're still not far north enough to see the northern lights because if there's like any clouds, you can't see them at all. And what we learned is like the northern lights kind of like move. Still need to go like maybe even like 4 hours outside the city just to see them, which is just insane to me. But
I hope
we're
not.
on the hunt for them. We met up with our guide here, Kun, who's like the best scout here to find the best northern light spot. He's talking to another guide right now, but we are gonna find it tonight.
Yes.
It's gonna be worth it, so let's go. We're literally crossing the border into Sweden. Look at that, here it is. The Swedish-Finnish border. Oh my gosh, look, we can just start seeing them, the green, and you can see them moving. It just
sometimes gets a little bit brighter and then less and then more.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Not only can you see the northern lights, you can see so many stars in the sky. I've never seen this many stars. It's stunning. That was great, but we want to give you some honest opinions about the northern lights.
Yes.
So first of all, yeah, definitely don't regret it. It was worth the time and the money to go out. But I was a bit underwhelmed because what you see in the camera is way more vibrant and full and beautiful than what you see with the naked eye.
Yeah.
It was still cool, but it was sort of like seeing like, I mean, it's really cool, yeah, like green clouds over in the distance. I had the expectation, let me know if you also had this expectation, that the northern lights were going to like fill the entire sky with like green and purple everywhere, and it'd be so easy and happen all the time.
Yeah.
No, you have to like hunt.
Look at numbers, find the right conditions. If there's clouds here, if there's trees, whatever, we have to like drive and hunt.
You have to try to find a lake, a frozen lake, where there's no trees to kind of cover the sky.
The reason we came to Finland right now in March is because of the equinox, and we were told this was going to be the brightest, the most intense in 20 years.
20 years.
It does look much better on camera, on your phone.
Yeah, and it was still beautiful, even to look at. It was cool, but to just come here for the northern lights, even like I wouldn't. But we're so impressed by all the activities. And actually there's a lot more, even more fun and exciting things to do, like the Husky ride, Santa Claus Village, staying inside of a snow hotel.
Yeah.
Had a blast at our time here in Lapland. And we'll be linking the full adventure in the description section below, because it is honestly one of the best trips of our life. So
definitely recommend, add it to your bucket list.
And as always, thank you so much for watching and joining us on this adventure. We loved having you with us and look forward to having you on many more. So until then, God bless you and your travels, and we'll see you then. Bye.